So now we'll just dive in. Having heard about this, now we're going to move straight to the Windows. So let me explain the window. I think we talked about Windows the last time. This mentioned recycle bin, computer, my computer, where you have just like a house that houses every other this thing. We'll have document and we'll have desktop. I believe I explained that in last class that I said if you want to save a
Yeah.
document or file, you will choose either desktop or document.
The desktop. Oh,
And I said that if you are saving your file on the desktop, that the file is going to be showing on the screen. But
yes.
if you save it on the document, it will be saved on that computer, but it's not going to be reflecting on the screen. So that means you have to go through this place, this file explorer, where you will now have to click um, document to get it. Like here, you have desktop, you have download, then you have document.
Yeah.
So that is so. Let's just dive in
Like
now.
your own has documents and see how.
Desktop is there,
Let me go.
document is
I
there.
don't. That's what I was trying to check for in my
Okay, from your own
and
side.
my this piece. My I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm trying to like get it from my own side. This thing.
Where you
I
will click,
couldn't get my own.
can you see where I'm clicking? This place. I don't know how you are on computer, but can you see this place? Where my can you see my mouse? Can you see it?
Wait, do it. Let me see if I can see your mouse.
Yes, I am moving my mouse. I can see my
Your
mouse
mouse?
pointing.
No.
Can you see it?
Mm-mm.
Down,
No,
down.
your mouse is not showing here.
Really? Down here where you have okay, wait, let me take
This
it
is
off.
my own. So this no, this is my that's why I changed it. That's my see, it's at the last and this thing. It's not supposed to.
But,
Yeah.
but
See,
can
this is
you
where I'm
see?
supposed to click to get my own. Where,
Okay, wait. Can you see my mouse?
is
My
this
mouse
place where they
pointer.
write my own? Okay, let me see. Yeah, well, I can see. Yes, I
Hey,
can see a
exactly.
mass pointer now. Oh,
So where I click now, if you have your own there, click there, it will take you to this interface where I am now.
that's that.
Seems network is not
Okay, okay, all right, okay, okay.
okay.
The Fire Explorer.
Exactly, file explorer, yes. So when you click there, it will bring you to this. But I don't know if you are here already.
Okay, okay, I've
Yeah.
seen it. Okay.
So there you now see download, desktop, download,
Yes, I've seen it.
document,
I've seen it in
picture.
my own.
Yeah, yeah. But this particular one, this is
Yeah,
PC.
no, I do documents, pictures, yes, and music and the
Now this PC now contains
uh
all of this.
no, no, my own, okay.
Now if you click this PC now, you're going to see all these things you have here. You have desktop, you have document, you have download, you have music. All these things you have here, they are inside this.
Okay.
This one is just like the house that houses everything.
PC.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So that is it for that. So what I want to dive in now is how to create a folder. How to
Yeah.
create a folder. So now creating a folder. Now these things, if you look at the screen, you see some brand color. So this icon that has this color, brand color. These ones I'm touching.
Yeah. Yeah.
These ones are called
Yeah.
icon. This one I call folders. And these folders, you create them. The essence of creating them is for you to have to put other file inside of that folder. As it is now, let's just dive into how to create a folder. Before then, let's just see how we can actually manage our screen first before we start creating. There are some minor things you need to know on how to manage your Windows before you start creating a folder. For example, how you can, I don't know what we did last time. Did you learn how to use mouse to move our icons? How to select icons? I don't know, like how to move icon like
No, we
this.
didn't do that.
Okay. So let's
No,
start from there. I think it will help us.
no, no,
Okay, now I was talking about mouse. Let's start from the mouse is actually used to do perform so many tasks on the Windows. One, the function of mouse, which we have already, is to pick an icon. or move an icon,
Okay.
or select an icon. Now, for example, you know, the mouse that you have, the other mouse, the external mouse you have, has three major parts or components. We have left click, we have left button, we have right button, and we have that one at the middle, which is called scroll wheel. Now, scroll wheel is just to navigate up and down of your windows or the document, while the left side of the
Okay, this
button,
one. Yes.
now, while the left side of your button is for clicking. Now, that side that is left, when somebody say click, what it's simply saying is that you should select an icon or a file. For example, you can see my file here. If I click once, I have selected. And then, like this, I've already selected this particular file by clicking once. Once somebody say click, and it means that you are using that left-hand side to click on it, not the right-hand side. Now, if they say double click, you are also using that left side to double click. That means to open a document like this. For example, I will do this. I just double click.
What I'm talking about now. Is this my? What you're talking about now? Is this my? What's it called? This okay? Say it's antenna mouse. Is this
okay,
square at the center of this PC?
I don't. Do you have a external mouse?
Yes, this my mouse. No, I don't. I have is internal.
Okay, okay.
So if I go to my left, if I go to my left,
yes, if you click left.
I remember to right is double click, is to expand.
To double click,
but left
your mouse
is to open.
No, to right is to have other options. It means that you right click, you have options. A right top will come out to perform other tasks. That is for the right clicking. But what does major function or major task is the left. So anything you are clicking, be it left click, click or double click, is left hand side that you are using. For example, I just showed you one example now. Like I want to open this document, for example, this one. Can you see my mouse? Hello?
No, it's not showing. It's not showing.
My mouse is not showing.
It's not good. Yeah, mine is not showing.
I'm moving my
mouse. If I'm not practicing this in my own end. For you.
What I'm trying to do, mommy, see what you do. Don't practice, you just follow. Then I will later allow you to share. So that you perform it, I will see the way you're doing it. Okay.
Okay.
So let's just follow me now. Once I am through, I will pause. Then you will share your screen and try.
I'm following you, but I've not seen your mouse.
Okay, but you are seeing my screen, Abby.
I'm seeing your screen.
I'm moving my mouse. You can see my mouse.
Okay, I've seen it now. I'm looking. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing this thing.
Okay. So now, like I want to, if I click like this, I just click once now. Left click once. I've selected this particular document. Okay. Now, if I double click on it.
Okay. This one. Yes.
If I double click on it, that means I'm to open it.
If you left click now, just one, that means
selecting.
What did you say about?
So select.
If you click just once, it will select.
It will select a document. Yes, a file.
Okay. One click is then when you double click, you expand.
No, when you double click, you are opening the file.
Okay.
For example, look at I just click. Now
click is one click.
Yes. Now one click is to select.
One click is select.
Yes. And
then double click is
to open a document or file.
Just open the document. Okay. All right. Okay. That is left. So
left, yes.
Left.
Yes. So, but when you right click, it shows that you're going to have option. For example, if I right click on any document, see what is going to happen now. I'm right clicking on this now. You are seeing also, can you see option on the screen?
That's it.
Yes, that is
Okay.
because I right click. You are having options for other tags. Okay. So that is it. How to then if I want to select multiple icon or multiple file, what I will simply do is to first of all click once on any of the icon like this. That's where I'm clicking.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if I click once and then hold down your control key on your keyboard, then start clicking other ones to select multiple file. Just hold it down like that. Now I'll select.
What are my keyboard?
Your
This
control
keyboard.
key. Your control key.
My control key. Yes. Okay.
So when you hold it down, after you have selected the first one, hold it down and be selecting others. Like you can see now, if I move this now, I can move this. You can see my this now.
I'm going to use my 2 hands there.
And use one of your left hand side for the control, while you use your right hand to move your mouse.
Oh,
now you can see my hand. I've selected the about 5 files from there, and I've moved it to my right hand side. You can see it here.
Okay, you understand?
Now, if I release now, look at it. All these things I've selected, look at them here. That's just how to select multiple files. You select the first one first, hold down your control button on your keyboard, and then start clicking the other ones. Then hold down your this and move your hand to the direction you want to put it. That is how to select multiple words file. On the handout, all these things we are saying now are there. On the handout.
See, if you don't, I have the handout. I've printed them out. So if you don't, the computer is you doing it yourself.
Exactly, of course. So what I'm saying is this: we'll focus more on the practice. So now, I don't know if you are getting this explanation now.
Huh?
Have you gotten the explanation of how to select multiple files?
Yeah.
Okay, should I do it again?
You know, I'm not seeing what you're actually doing. Just your hand movement. Like you said, if I click.
Okay, wait. Let me change my screen saver. It seems it's too light. So that let me bring another wallpaper. Let me change so that I think that my wallpaper is not really. Let me change my wallpaper. I think know which one to use now. Should I use this? Let me use this one first. And I think this one is better. Can you see my this now?
Okay.
You can see my mouse, Abby. I think this. Let me use this color now because the former one looks more. Okay, so what I was trying to explain is this now. Like if I have to select one document, I click once like this. Can you see what I just clicked now? One where my mouse is. Look at it.
Yeah.
That is, I've clicked once, I've selected. So for me to select multiple ones, I will hold down my control button on the keyboard. And then I'll select this.
I'm saying, how do you hold down your control button? Which one is
Just
the
hold it
control
down, press
button?
it down. Just once you select the first one, hold it down.
Okay.
Okay. So now when you hold it down, you start clicking on the line. You want this line. You can see the way I'm clicking them. All of them are selected now. Now, once you're done with that, then move your mouse if you can, like this. You can see my hand.
Yeah.
These are the things I copy, so I can move them to another location now. Look at it.
Okay.
That is just it for how to move a mouse. Now, another thing we are going to learn now, just a way of mastering your window environment before we dive into what we have for today. Another thing is how to hide your icons from your from the screen. Now, all these things we are seeing here, like I said before, they are all what? Icons. Both the brown ones and these ones, they're all icons. Now, if you don't want it to be showing on the screen, how do you go about it? How do you do it? So what you're going to do, you are going to click on the blank space where you don't have icon. Like any place that is blank, that is empty. You can see my mouse here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So you're going to right click on those empty place, like empty screen, where you don't have this icon that is free. Right click on that place. And when you right click on that place, like this, now all this is, can you see this? This is that comes out. Now, then you go to view.
Go to where? View.
Now, if you right click, you see this, go to view, look at view here. So when you click on view, the view, you will see show desktop at the down side. Can you see where my this thing is? Now, when you click on that show desktop, see what will happen. All the icon on the desktop will disappear, will not be there again. I will just do that now. Can you see what just happened now? There's no icon again on the screen.
Okay.
That is just a way of hiding your icon. Now,
so as you finish trying to hide this icon now, how do you bring them back? If you want to access them, you go to your documents.
No, to bring them back now, because sometimes now, if a novice will just handle your laptop and probably someone who does not know this will think that you have deleted all your document.
Okay.
But with this, if you give it to somebody will like, you don't have any application or any document in your system, but the person will not know that you have already hidden them. But then, how do you bring it back? The same procedure we use. You're going to right click on the open space like this. Right click, and then these options will come out. Then you go to view. Okay. From view, you are going to go back to that same place where you have show desktop icons. Are you seeing it? So when you click on desktop icon, then it will come back.
Okay.
So that is how you can hide it and bring it back. Now, in less than 1 minute now, I might log out, then log in again because of my Zoom this thing. So in case if you log out, you know that I will log in again. Okay, I don't know if this one is clear.
It's okay. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, what will happen is this. I think the Zoom might log me out now, then I'll log in again. Once I log in again, you are going to show your screen to perform this thing we just did now. So I will be viewing it. Then that is how we will do, how we will practice this thing. How we'll be doing it in this our class. Because I know definitely